Hello friends, let us begin with examples of Runge-Kutta method for first order ordinary differential equations. In previous sessions we have seen the formulas for second order Runge-Kutta method, which is given by y of x plus h is equal to y of x plus 1 by 2 k1 plus k2, where k1 is equal to h into f of xy, k2 is equal to h into f of x plus h y plus k1. Okay. Runge-Kutta third order method formula is given by y of x plus h is equal to y of x plus 1 by 9 2k1 plus 3k2 plus 4k3, where k1 equal to h into f of xy, k2 equal to h into f of x plus h by 2 plus y plus k1 by 2, k3 equal to h into f of x plus 3h by 4 and y plus 3k2 by 4. Similarly, Runge-Kutta fourth order formula is given by y of x plus h equal to y of x plus 1 by 6 k1 plus 2k2 plus 2k3 plus k4, where k1 equal to h into f of xy plus k2 equal to h into f of x plus h by 2 and y plus k1 by 2, k3 equal to h into f of x plus h by 2 plus y plus k2 by 2, and k4 equal to h into f of x plus h and y plus k3. Okay, so we will use this formula to solve the first order ordinary differential equation. Let us solve dy by dx equal to x minus y square with the initial condition y of 0 equal to 1, we have to solve for y of 0.1 using RK2 method, that is Runge-Kutta second order method. Here the first order ordinary differential equation is given x minus y square, that is f of xy, with the initial condition y of 0 equal to 1. Okay, that is x0 equal to 0 and y0 equal to 1. Okay, we have to find for y of 0.1, so we will take h x minus x1, that is 0.1. So the formula for second order RK method is y1 equal to y0 plus 1 by 2 k1 plus k2. Okay, so where k1 is equal to h into f of x0 y0. Now f of x0 y0 is nothing but x minus y square, that is x0 minus y0 square. So putting the values of x0 and y0, we will get k1 equal to 0 minus 0.1. Similarly, k2 equal to h into f of x0 plus h and y0 plus k1. So replacing x0 by x0 plus h and y0 by y0 plus k1 and putting the values in the function x0 minus y0 square, we will get k2 value is equal to minus 0.071. Okay, using RK2 formula, y1 equal to y0 plus 1 by 2 k1 plus k2, y0 is 1 plus 1 by 2, k1 is minus 0.1 and k2 is minus 0.071. We'll get y1 is equal to 0.9145 at x1 is equal to 0.1. Okay, so if we want to calculate at x2 is equal to 0.2, now we will take the initial condition y1 at x1 and solve it. Okay, now next we will solve the problem for first order ordinary differential equation by using RK4 method. Okay, now here solve dy by dx equal to y minus x square plus 1 with the initial condition y of 0 is equal to 0.5. We have to solve this equation for y of 0.5. Okay, So taking h is equal to 0.5. Okay, we have to solve this problem using by RK4 method, that is Runge-Kutta fourth order method. So from the given example, x0 is 0, y0 is 0.5. We have to find y1 at x1.5. So what is our function? Function is y minus x square plus 1. So f of x0 y0 becomes y0 minus x0 square plus 1. Okay. Runge-Kutta fourth order formula is y1 equal to y0 plus 1 by 6 into k1 plus 2k2 plus 2k3 plus k4. Okay, and this is at x1. So to find y1, we need to calculate all these k1, k2, k3 and k4. So find first k1. K1 is equal to h into f of x0 y0. Okay, so h is 0.5, f of x0 y0, x0 is 0, y0 is 0.5. Putting these values in a function, y0 minus x0 square plus 1, will get here k1 equal to 0.75. Okay, k1 is 0.75. k2 equal to h into f of x0 plus h by 2, y0 plus k1 by 2. So h into x0, x0 is replaced by x0 plus h by 2 and y0 is replaced by y0 plus k1 by 2. Our function is y0 minus x0 square plus 1. So y0 is replaced by y0 plus k1 by 2 minus x0 is replaced by x0 plus h by 2 bracket square plus 1. Putting the values in the formula, we will get k2 equal to 0.90625. Okay, now let us calculate k3. k3 is equal to h into f of x0 plus h by 2, y0 plus k2 by 2. Putting in a function y0 minus x0 square plus 1, will get k3 equal to 0.9453125. Okay, here it is cut out. k3 equal to 0.9453125. Let us calculate k4. k4 equal to h into f of x0 plus h, y0 plus k3. Okay, so x0 is replaced by x0 plus h, y0 is replaced by y0 plus k3. Our function is y0 minus x0 square plus 1. So y0 plus k3, x0 plus h bracket square plus 1. Putting all values, will get k4 as 1.097656. Okay, so y1 is equal to y0 plus 1 by 6 k1 plus 2 k2 plus 2 k3 plus k4. So after putting values, y0 is 0.5, k1, k2, k3 and k4 in the given formula, will get y1 is equal to 1.42513 at x1 is equal to 0.5. Okay, now students, you have to solve the same problem for y2 at x2 is equal to 1. Okay, so with h is equal to 0.5. So therefore we have to take initial approximations now y1 at x1. So y of 0.5 is 1.42513. Okay, so after solving for this, you will get k1 1.08756, k2 1.203206, k3 1.23217 and k4 1.32862. Okay, putting all k1, k2, k3, k4 in the formula, we will get y2 equal to 2.639627 at x2 is equal to 1. So you solve for this and verify your answers. Okay, so now you are able to apply RK2 method and RK4 method for first order ordinary differential equations. Okay, In next session, we will see the Runge-Kutta fourth order method for second order ordinary differential equations. Okay, till then, bye and thank you.